Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Me, Abbas Ahmed, made you to visit Bangas Valley, the ultimate tourist destination of district Kupwara. So stay tuned and be part of this journey and enjoy with me. Dear viewers, from Handwara, it is approximately 55 kilometers up to Bangas. The famous villages that are on the route are Maradgam, Kalamabad, Lash, Sanjipura, Lahusa, Naugam, Putwari and Reshwari. This time we are at Naugam TCP, and here we have first made the entry. We are very near to Reshwari. That is a very good tourist destination. Local people prefer to visit here oftenly because it is very approaching to town Handwara. The fast flowing stream of Reshwari is very popular of its purity and natural look. Really an ultimate a very fantastic virgin, densely covered with a forest. The ultimate tourist destination of Kashmir Valley. Only what it needs, that is attention of government. If government will improve the infrastructure of Bangas Valley, definitely it is very ultimate and very different. Dear viewers, this is Reshwari Rest House. You can make your trip very beautiful by staying here. You have simply pay. The arrangements are made here by the rest house authority of their own. What a charmful look. Very hectic and tough route, but don't bother. Small children and elderly women dare to do this. Adventurous and joyful. I recommend hand sticks whenever you visit Bangas Valley through this very route. Finally, we are at the bunks. Don't miss to watch the complete documentary and special tips on my YouTube channel Student Voice by Abbas Ahmed.
कितना प्यारा तुझे रब ने बनाया, कितना प्यारा तुझे रब ने बनाया, जी कर देखता रहूं, कितना सोना तुझे रब ने बनाया, कितना सोना तुझे रब ने बनाया, जी कर देखता रहूं। कितना प्यारा तुझे रब ने बनाया।
Thank you.
This is the unique creativity of Almighty Allah. Traditionally, the shepherds come here to rear sheep, pork. This is the uniqueness of this site. On one night, the hawk stays in one side of this pyramid-shaped structure, and when this becomes wet, another day they shift to another side of this pyramid. So by this interval, these small valleys like structures, they remain dry and clean. So this is the unique creativity of this Bangas Valley. Dear viewers, this is the Big Bangas. Approximate length of this ground is 5 kilometers. This is Maur Gali. From Maur Gali to the end, the length is up to 5 kilometers, and width is approximately 1.5 kilometers. A very big and vast ground having Dunlop-like structure. Here I would like to introduce you some of our participants. This is Muhammad Adil, my dearest son. This is Yasir Ali and Mumtaz. Others are Arslan Ahmed, Muhammad Ramzan, Muhammad Shafi, Ajaz Ahmed. Here is Firdos, Muhammad Amin and Ishfaq Majid. Dear viewers, we are in the middle of ground. It takes us 40 minutes to reach here in the center from Maur Gali. So we are proceeding ahead towards another corner of this ground. I think it will took further 40 or 45 minutes to reach other end of this ground. This is soil degradation, a very big disaster, I think. Very serious concern. Government should take serious note of this, otherwise the purity of Bangas Valley may get lost. A very big and serious concern. I visited this place some 2 or 3 years back, and at that time this was not the case here. Just you look, have soil degradation. This is Kotha. We made here the night arrangements. Dear viewers, this is not less than the Koti. The unique experience of life.
जाने का गम और न आने का गम, फिर ज़माने का गम क्या करें। राह देखे नजर रात भर जाग कर, पर तेरी तो खबर न मिले। बहुत आई गई यादें, मगर इस बार तुम ही आना। इरादे फिर से जाने के नहीं लाना, तुम ही
we will now proceed towards Bidrun. Dear viewers, if you will find the top, that is called Bidrun. There is a very beautiful ground full of flowers of different kinds, but it is not everybody's cup of tea to reach there. If you may plan to visit Bidrun, I suggest to you to have some energy giving food like dry fruits, especially like dates, that may help you to provide immediate energy. This area is full of medicinal plants, but not explored yet. Bidrun is very high altitude destiny. Dear viewers, I think this is a very beautiful place for skiing. If government will have some attention towards this would be the world-class place for skiing. It has been known from some authentic sources that this year, that is 2020, approximately 15 to 12 feet snowfall has been recorded here. Lot of deodar trees fell down here. If government will manage to bring them in the loggies, it will prove to meet the demands of the needy people. Whenever you plan to visit here, don't miss to bring with you umbrella, waterproof jacket and some dry fruits, because the weather can change at any moment here, and that would be very drastic if one cannot come prepared with full preparation. It is only the will that forces to do this hectic job. Otherwise, physical energy is no more. Dear viewers, we are at very high altitude. Up to this level, this budal trees are here. Above this, these are paper trees, and above them almost no big vegetation is found. Dear viewers, this will help me a lot. A cup of tea matters here because it gives immediate energy. So whenever you visit here, please bring a cup of tea.
Be prepared.
with you. This tastes very differently to have a cup of tea at this altitude. Really, this tastes a lot. and also matures a lot. Dear viewers, this is a glacier. If you will observe, this is completely black. This is because of pollution, because of global climatic change. If we have to preserve our earth, if we have to preserve these meadows, forest cover, the greenery of the earth, the air, the water, the only option is sustainable development and alternative source of energy. Earth receives 170 trillion kilowatt of solar energy per day. If this solar energy, if only 10% of this solar energy with 1% efficiency is converted into useful energy, this will meet out all the needs of the entire population. So, dear viewers, if we have to preserve the earth, then we have definitely opt sustainable development. This is the only option. Scientists have developed such type of machinery, such type of tools and technology which will be very fruitful to convert this solar energy into useful form. Otherwise, the earth will not survive for long time. Very sadly, I will once again say you that the earth will not survive for long time if that trend continues. So the only option is solar energy. This is wild cup of tea. We are on the top of the world. A very cold waves here. Dear viewers, this is Badabangs. Appears very small, but actually it is very large. Approximately 6 kilometers in length and 2.5 kilometers in width. That is Chota Bangs. These are the huts of shepherds. Everywhere green and lustrous atmosphere. I will use here the term this, not that. This is Kajnag, very near to us.
But unfortunately having clouds.
Clouds there. If you will able to see the glaciers. Really paradise on earth that we call the Bangas. I would like to appreciate my small kids. Name? Irfan, who managed to come here. This is Mudassir at the age of 9 years.
Reading in class 5th.
Reading in class 5th. This is
Mumtazur Rahman.
Mumtazur Rahman, also reads in class 5th at the age of 9 or 10 years. Congratulations, big hands to all these 3 kids who managed to come here to do this drastic, adventurous journey.
Thank you.
Dear viewers, this place is Ghat Pathar, a very beautiful place. Carpets on the ground. That is Taj. Next to Taj is TMG Toothmar Gali. If you will see this place, this is Bidrun. We come down from this very place just now. What a beautiful and amazing, amazing place on earth.
It is very high at an altitude of near about 11,000 feet
From sea level.
from sea level. Really. We are now stepping down. It is 6 p.m. This needs extra care and skill because there are chances of slip. So be cautious and take extra care while stepping down because it is almost 70 degree, if I am right, 70 degree slope, rather more than 70. Dear viewers, you should take extra care if there is no stone to be slipped because that takes the speed of a bullet. That may be very dangerous for someone. So for that you should take very care and precautions also. Dear viewers, we stepped down from that very peak. A very unique experience. Still, we are very far from the Bada Bangas meadow. It will take us from here almost 45 minutes to reach our base camp, the Bada Bangas meadow.
इस वक्त हम बिद्रुन की पहाड़ी से धीरे धीरे नीचे उतर रहे हैं क्योंकि जितना यहाँ पे बिद्रुन की पहाड़ी पे चढ़ना मुश्किल है उससे ज़्यादा यहाँ नीचे उतरना मुश्किल है क्योंकि चढ़ाई बहुत ज़्यादा है। और दूसरी बात यह है कि पत्थरों के ऊपर से होके गुज़रना पड़ता है, तो यहाँ पे बहुत ही एहतियात की ज़रूरत है। नीचे उतरते वक्त यहाँ बहुत ही एहतियात का ख्याल रखना पड़ता है क्योंकि अगर खुदा न खास्ता यहाँ पे पैर फिसल गया तो इंसान कहाँ से कहाँ पहुँच जाएगा।
This is Arslan Ahmed who organized this program. The whole credit goes to him. All the participants congratulate and thank him for his contribution.
We are back to our base camp, Bada Bangas meadow. Bye bye Bangas. Have a long, pure, green and luxurious life ahead. Dear viewers, I hope you might have enjoyed this documentary. Thank you very much. Thanks to all of you.
बाय बाय।
Thank you very much.
हर चेहरा यहाँ चांद तो हर जरा सितारा, हर चेहरा यहाँ चांद तो हर जरा सितारा। ये वादी कश्मीर है जन्नत का नजारा, जन्नत का नजारा। हर चेहरा यहाँ चांद। हंसती है जो कलियां तो हंसी फूल है खिलते, हंसती है जो कलियां तो हंसी फूल है खिलते। हैं लोग यहाँ जैसे उतर आए फरिश्ते। हर दिल से निकलती है यहाँ प्यार की धारा, हर दिल से निकलती है यहाँ प्यार की धारा। ये वादी कश्मीर है जन्नत का नजारा, जन्नत का नजारा। हर चेहरा यहाँ चांद। ये चोटियां बर्फों की है, आजादी का परचम। ये चोटियां बर्फों की है, आजादी का परचम। हंसती है गुलामी पे ये इंसान की हरदम। देती है ये आकाश को बाहों का सहारा, देती है ये आकाश को बाहों का सहारा। ये वादी कश्मीर है जन्नत का नजारा, जन्नत का नजारा। हर चेहरा यहाँ चांद। दिन रात हवा साज बजाती है सुहा।
कितना सोना तुझे रब ने बनाया, कितना सोना तुझे रब ने बनाया। जी करे देखता रहूं।